record button. So session is being recorded. Hello and welcome. I am Dr. Pauline Fu. In this video, I will show you step-by-step approach to create a micro project file, okay, from scratch, okay. So I'm going to share my computer so that you see my computer. Okay, so share application screen, entire screen, share, screen sharing didn't start, try again. It said screen sharing didn't start, so share application screen, entire screen. Screen to share, entire screen, share screen. All right. Can somebody confirm you can see my computer? Can someone speak loudly? You can see my computer. Sorry. Can you see my computer? The blackboard. So I need to make sure. Can you see my computer, everyone?
Yes, I can see it.
Oh, thank you so much. You saved my life. Okay, great. So I'm going to pull out my textbook so that if you have textbook, turn on page 55, page 55. At the same time, I'm going to share my textbook. So bookshelf. Okay. How to enter Google Save. Okay. Email pub@hotmail.ca and my Vita. All right. Hope you see our textbook. Can somebody confirm you can see the cover page of our textbook? Thank you. If you can speak loudly, because I am on my computer screen, I have no time to check the chat room, okay? If you have question, you just directly speak, okay? All right, so I'm going to open my textbook. So at the same time, you open your textbook, page 55. Continue reading. So it is still loading. So what I'm going to, this is page 55, okay? You will be, this textbook is a little bit outdated, okay? So you will be graduating in May 2019 from your program of study at your local community college. You decide it is time to start preparing your job search portfolio. Due to other school obligations, you can only dedicate 10 hours a week to work on your portfolio. To stay on task, you work 2 hours per day, Monday through Friday. You have afternoon classes, so you are set 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. as working time. The remainder of the days and times will be sent to non-working time. You begin brainstorming a list of tasks, and you realize There are many tasks that need to be completed. To be sure you don't miss an important step, you decide to use Project 2016 to help you organize and keep track of your list. Okay. By the way, you are going to use Microsoft Project through Apps Anywhere. In order to use Apps Anywhere, you need to install VPN, okay? And the file you are drive. But since my computer has the software MS Project, so I directly do the project on my computer, okay? Steps on how to install VPN is posted on Blackboard. So step 1, I'm going to open a blank project file and save this project file, okay? So on my computer, I have a project, Microsoft Office 2016, and I have a project here, Project 2016. So I'm going to open a blank data ops, close. Open a new blank project file. So I opened, and then I need to save this file as save as. See, when you do your project, you need to save on OneDrive. Because I have this software, I will just save on this PC in my documents. In my documents, maybe I created a folder, Comp 1115, okay? So I'm going to create a new folder. And this folder called practice, maybe called hands-on, because on Blackboard you need to submit your hands-on, okay? Hands-on. So the project name is PM01, oops. Keep the .mpp, that is the file extension. So the file name is PM01, oops, PM01, then CH01, and then job search, okay, portfolio. I will just type in job search and followed by your first name, last name. So this is my file name. Okay. I completed step 1. Okay. So where I am, I completed this. Oops. Step 1, not step A. Okay. Step 2. Since you just starting your portfolio, you'll leave the default schedule of start date. So set start date to February 1, 2019. Okay, start date. So I'm going to set my start date. So you go to project, okay, and then project information. Project, then project information. And in this project information dialog box, start date you set to February 1st, 2019. February, so go back to February 1st, 2019. Okay. And change, this is step B, okay? So I click OK button. Okay. So I completed step B, okay? Project start date. Step C, change project calendar to set working time to Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. The remainder of the days and times will be set to non-working time. So step C. Okay. So I'm going to click project, and then project information, not here. So working project, and where is my calendar? Set baseline. So I'll just walk through the quick access. Looking for working time, project schedule, project information, and then project information, calendar. So it should be somewhere. I'm looking for the project, then project property group, and then change working times, project. So where is my change work schedule? Change working time, I have that one, but project. Okay, so project, then change working time here. From project, change working time. Okay. So what did you say? Change working time from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Okay. So under the work weeks, no, here maybe start, and then quick detail, work weeks, then quick detail, select Monday until Friday. Okay, using your shift, select Monday to Friday, and then quick set date to these specific working times. So from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. to 10, oops, this is 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Okay, oops. And then you click number 2, oops, 8 a.m. to 10, then click the field to see if it requires a text. This value is not valid in this situation. And then you need to delete this one, but it won't let me do it. See, this is the I missed the 10 column 00. I missed 00. Okay, then space AM. Okay, this time it works. Okay, now select this number 2 and press delete. So you are only working 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. from Monday to Fridays. Okay, so click OK button. Okay, so you modified your schedule. Okay. So that is a step. Let me check. Yeah, we did step C. Okay, change working time. Okay. Step D, add exception, spring break, March 11 to 15 as non-working days. Step D. So non-working days. Okay. So quick exceptions tab, exceptions. Okay, and then type in spring break. Start March 11, 2019. March 11 here. March 11, 2019, and finish March 15, 2019. March 15, 2019. Okay. So that is your spring break. Okay. Spring break. And then click OK button. Okay. So I completed step D. Step E. Set the project to auto-scheduled so that task dates are calculated by project 2016. Okay. So step E. Auto-scheduled. On the bottom left corner, you see New Task Manually Scheduled. You click this one and select Auto-scheduled on bottom left corner. Okay, Auto-scheduled. So I completed auto-scheduled. Now step F, entering the following tasks. Entering following tasks. Task 1, purchase portfolio suppliers. So task name. Suppliers, and I can increase the width. Okay. Purchase portfolio suppliers. The duration is 2H means 2 hour. 2H, 2 hour. Okay. Task 2, get an official transcript. Get an official transcript. And this task will be 4 hours. And the task 3, identify references. It is 1 week. 1W means 1 week. 1W. Step 4, write resume. This is my textbook. Okay, I'm going to maybe put it here. Adjust. Write a resume, 2 hours. Step 5, create a resume in PDF format. Oops, no. Write a resume. 6 hours. Create a resume in PDF format. Create a resume in PDF format. And this one, 2 hours. Okay. Next one, write a cover letter. Write a cover letter, that is 3H, 3 hours. Conduct online job search. Five days. 5 days. Next, gather work examples for portfolio. Oops. Examples for portfolio. And this one will need 10 hours. Next one, conduct a mock interview. This one, 3 hours. Send resumes to potential employers. This one, 2 hours. No, not question mark. last task, compile portfolio. That is 4 hours. Okay. So I completed all those tasks. Okay. So typing those files. Step 9, select task 5, and then add a note. Use a PDF resume for online applications. Okay. Task 5. So this is task 5. Okay. You want to create a note for this file. Double click it. Double click. You have task information dialog box, and then click the notes. Okay. And then type in use a PDF resume for online application. Okay. And click OK button. See, after you created a note for task 5, if you put your mouse over here, you see a note. Okay, you see a note. So that is step 9 or step H, step G, step H. With task 5 still selected, in project view of your choice, add a new task, edit resume. The new task is 2 hours. I heard something. Where is my black? Where is my? If you can hold your questions, okay. I'm sorry. After I finish this, I would love to answer any questions you may have. Or you can speak out loudly. I can hear you. Okay. So where I'll add a new task, edit resume. The edit resume will become a task 5. So there are many different ways to add a new task. So I will just click task 5, and I press not delete. Oops, not delete. Undo it. I press S5 and click insert button. Insert button on your keyboard. You have a new blank row, and then type in edit resume, and it is 2 hours. Edit resume 2H 2 hours. Okay. Where I am. Okay. I finished step H. Now step I. Move task 7 after task 8. Okay, move task 7 after task 8. Okay. Move task 7 after task 8. So you click the whole row 7. When you see your mouse forwarded arrow, no, not here. Click and drag. You see? Did you see? I click and drag. Did you see the little vertical bar? Click row 7, click and drag. Okay. See? Those two tasks switched. Okay. So that is what I completed step I, step J. Add task note. Contact Career Resource Center. Together work examples for portfolio task 9. So J asks you to create a note for task 9. Okay. So maybe I will leave it here. So create a note for task 9. So this is task 9. Okay. So double click. You have task information. Then click the notes and type in Contact Career Resource Center. Click OK button. So now if you put your mouse on here, you see Content Career Resource Center. You have a note for this task. Okay. So this is a task J, or step J, step K. Change the duration of task 3 to 8 hours. So this is the duration to task 3, change to 8 hours. So I will delete. Oops. Then typing 8H means 8 hours. Okay. Step L, in Gantt chart view, move the split bar to the right edge of precedences column. Link tasks 1 to 12 in the order they appear in entry table. So in Gantt chart view, move the split bar. Okay. So right now it is Gantt chart view. This is Gantt chart view. Okay. This button, this vertical bar is the split bar. See, you click and move. You see, you can move. Okay, move to the right so that you see the precedences. Okay, precedences. And then you need to link task 1 to task 11. So you select all the tasks. Okay, and then if you click task, you see this is the link button here under the schedule. Link the scheduled task. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl F2. Okay, so you click link button. See, all tasks has been linked here. See, the task has been linked, and they all have a finish start relationship. Finish start means you start task 2 after you finish task 1. Or after you finish task 1, you start task 2. After you finish task 2, you start task 3. That is a finish start relationship between tasks. Okay. So where I am. I found completed step J to link task. No, step L, link task. Step M, if the timeline is showing, remove it from Gantt chart. This one is not important. This is okay, so I will maybe just ignore that. Time limit, I will show you the important step. And then next one, hide the view bar. Okay. If you right-click your mouse, you see, right now I can see view bar. If you click it again, you hide view bar. Okay, hide view bar. Next, hide the task mode column. Okay. So this is the task. If you right click, task. If you click it, you hide it. See, I hide task mode. If I click this task again, I show task mode. It is on and off button. This button task. Okay, see, on, off, on, off. So this is the task button. Okay. And then step P, add your first name and last name as header. On the right tab of Gantt chart, network diagram and calendar views, change the calendar view to week and return the Gantt chart. I will just show you one. You can do the rest. I will just show you how do you add your name on the top right corner of Gantt chart. Okay. So here, this is the Gantt chart. Okay. If I go to the file, file print, okay, and then you have a page setup, click the header, and then click the right, and type in your name, okay, and click OK button. And see, your name is here. Okay, see, your name is here on top right corner of Gantt chart. Okay, so I'm going to go back. Okay. So you do the same for network diagram and calendar, but I got questions from one student. She said, okay, I have Gantt bar here. How can I see calendar view? How can I see network diagram? You right-click your mouse on this Gantt chart. You click the view bar. Right-click your mouse on Gantt chart, this vertical bar. Click view. See, you see all the view bars here. Okay. And then we finished. Okay, so save your project. Okay, so I will just click the save button. Okay, so now I'm going to return to my to check if you have any questions. Where is my video? Okay, I hear some just check some chart to see if you have any questions. So any questions? Oops. Okay. So I'll try to stop sharing, share content. How do I stop sharing? Share files. Share application. Screen. Okay, so in summary, what I did in this lecture, I showed you step-by-step approach, how to create a project file by set up the calendar, working times, non-working times, and then enter the task durations. After that, you link all the tasks, okay, make a note to some tasks, okay, and add your name to the printout, okay. That's all for this lecture. It is a lot of work. You need to read this textbook, okay, page by page, task by task, to go over the hands-on exercise, okay. So I'm going to open the floor up to answer any questions you may have. Any questions? Okay. We just need to finish all the exercise. Thank you so much. What you need to do, each chapter, you need 2 files, see? When you click Blackboard hands-on, what you need to do, you need to complete page 4 to page 50. Okay? Page 4 start as new blank project. After you've done the page 50, from 4 to 50, you save the file, this name. Okay, so this is one file. Another file, you need to go to page 53, step A to Z. So 2 files are needed for chapter 1. Okay, is that answer your question? Thank you so much. Good question. Okay, you are not alone. I got the same question from other students as well. You can type your question or you can speak up. Okay. Any other questions? We don't have this live lecture every week. I just have live lecture as I see as a need. Okay. So basically, you need to walk through the textbook by yourself. Make sure you can connect VPN, access apps anywhere. So get the Microsoft project. Okay. Any other questions? So I'm going to stop recording. I will still be here for a moment.